In this video we are going to compare Google Bard with ChatGPT. We will ask 5 different questions from both of them and we will analyze the result. We are giving one number for each correct answer, so let's see Google Bard can defeat ChatGPT.
This is Google Bard website and I already signed in. So let's ask our first question from Google Bard and see the result, then we will ask same question from ChatGPT. Our first question is, can you write a 500-word article on how to grow my YouTube channel? Okay, this is our result. It's very smooth and clean. It gives us 7 related topics on how to grow our YouTube channel. Now let's go ask the same question from ChatGPT. I have already opened the ChatGPT site. It starts writing the topic. Maybe it will take a moment, so first let's read Google Bard's article. YouTube is one of the most popular websites in the world, with over 2 billion active users. If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, there are a few things you can do to improve your chances of success. Now these are some points to grow our YouTube channel, like choose a niche, create high quality content, promote your channel, collaborate with other YouTubers, run contests and giveaways, use YouTube Analytics and be patient. It is very clear and it mentioned top 7 tips, so let's give a like button. Now we are going to see ChatGPT article. In recent years, YouTube has become one of the most popular platforms for content creators. It offers a chance for creators to express their creativity and share it with the world. If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, there are a few things you can do. Consistency is key. Optimize your videos for search. Engage with your audience. Collaborate with other creators. Promote your channel on social media. Analyze your data. Create high-quality content. The thing is, both of them mention 7 tips about our topic and both of them are correct. Now let's go for our second question. Our second question is, can you predict who will be winner of next FIFA World Cup 2026? By this question we are checking that can Google Bard and ChatGPT predict the future. As we can see, ChatGPT says it cannot predict the future event, but it mentions some top teams like Brazil, Germany, Spain, Argentina, France, and Belgium. It also mentioned the 2026 World Cup hosters, which are United States, Canada and Mexico. Now let's see the result of Google Bard. It also mentions that it is difficult to predict the future, but it also mentions some top teams like Brazil, Argentina, France and England. Additionally, it says that Brazil won 5 times, so it means the chances of winning again of Brazil is high. Guys, as we know that ChatGPT and Google Bard take information from internet and gives us results, so that doesn't mean it can predict the future. We just can ask the past events but not about future, so both of them are correct. Now let's go for our third question. Our third question is, can you create code of calculator in HTML and CSS design? By this question we are checking that can Google Bard and ChatGPT gives us a code. ChatGPT started the code and it will take time around 1 minute. Let's see Google Bard. Oh my god, Google Bard gives us the result in just few seconds. It's too fast, but we need to check the result and after that we will see which one is better. So we are waiting for ChatGPT to finish his code. Now we will see the result. Okay, the ChatGPT calculator is amazing. It looks great, but it doesn't work. I don't know what is the problem. Let's check the code again. We can see that in JavaScript code there is missing, so it didn't give us the full code of calculator, but still I like the design of it. Now let's see the Google Bard's calculator. Oh my god, it's so awful and insane. I actually don't like this version. By comparing Google Bard's code with ChatGPT, you can see that ChatGPT gives us better design. Now let's ask our fourth question. Our fourth question is, can you give me the alternatives of Google Bard, ChatGPT? We will ask alternatives of Google Bard from Google Bard platform, and from ChatGPT we will ask ChatGPT alternatives. Google Bard gives us some alternatives like ChatGPT, ChatSonic, UChat, Llama, Bing Chat and Replica. I am going to give a like button because it gives me best alternatives of Google Bard. Now let's check ChatGPT. ChatGPT alternatives are OpenAI GPT-3, Google Bard. It misspelling the Bard because it is not Bard, it is Bard. Facebook Roberta, Hugging Face Transformers, Microsoft Turing and Amazon SageMaker. It didn't gives us the best alternative of ChatGPT because I have used ChatSonic and Bing but ChatGPT didn't mention them. And in first it mentioned his own platforms like GPT-3. Now let's ask our last question from Google Bard and ChatGPT. Our last question is, can you give me the signal of Bitcoin that when to buy or sell it? By this question we will see that can these type of chatbots gives us a signal to buy or sell the cryptocurrencies. In here as we can see that Google Bard said I cannot give you financial advice but Google Bard is going to give us some tips before invest like our investment is for long term or short term. How much risk can we take and can we afford the amount we lose? The current market conditions and the opinion that we have about Bitcoin. So Google Bard just give us some tips but it didn't gives us any signal. Now let's check the ChatGPT result. It says that cryptocurrencies are very risky and the range of changing price is very high. But ChatGPT didn't mention any other tips. So Google Bard explain more than ChatGPT.